Hey, you know what the best thing about Sloppy Joe sandwiches? It's sloppy. Oh, that's delicious. And it's made with a secret ingredient. Oh yeah. I need 5 more napkins. Sloppy. Let's get cooking. Right after I wash my hands. Ha ha. Okay, so I'm in my grocery store this morning. I'm going to check out, and a lady in front of me was buying all kinds of stuff, and somehow we got into a conversation, and she's telling me how her kids don't like to eat this food and that food, and don't want to eat vegetables, they only want to eat McDonald's and whatnot. And in my cart, I have jackfruit. They're available in your produce section of your grocery store, by the way. So I said, oh, you got to try jackfruit. And she said, what's jackfruit? And I said, you know, I make some recipes that kids might like. Adults definitely like it. And kids might like it because their favorite foods, I just use the jackfruit instead of meat. Hey, subscribe to this channel. Ring that bell so you can check out all my videos, including the jackfruit ones, like today. You know what I'm making? I'm making jackfruit sloppy joes. Wow, that's crazy. But you know what? It really is just sloppy joe, just using jackfruit. Very simple. It's sweet and it's tangy. I think the kids will like it. I think the adults will like it. So let's get cooking. Okay, so first thing I do is heat up a pan, a big pan, because I'm making a lot of this stuff. And I have here 1 large onion, chopped up. Hey, you can even use a food processor for this. I want to chop kind of small. Hey, we're not making onion sloppy joes. We're making jackfruit sloppy joes. So chop those onions really small so the onions are like in the background and not the dish. Also, I got 1 large green pepper. Also, chopped very fine, right? Look how fine that is. Okay, you can put it also in the food processor and get it chopped pretty fine. Hey, I'm going to add just like 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, just a little bit of salt to give these onions and peppers some flavor. Okay, then I have 3 cloves of garlic, also chopped really well. Toss that in there. Now I gotta start creating like all the juices, all the saucy stuff in there. Sweet, it's tangy, it's wonderful. This is a great recipe. You're gonna love this. Okay, we're gonna add about 2/3 cup of ketchup. Tablespoon of brown sugar. Teaspoon of mustard. Grey Poupon mustard. 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. This is regular Worcestershire sauce. Okay, that's regular. If you want, they do have a vegan variety. 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Gonna mix this all around like that. Woo! Two 10-ounce packages of jackfruit. Now, jackfruit I bought, hey, comes seasoned already. That's okay, it's got a nice taste, I don't mind. Don't forget, look for it in the produce department of your grocery store. It's awesome, awesome stuff. You gotta try it. Try new things in your life. You'd be surprised how good it is. Okay. I keep on a low fire like that. Very nice. Okay, so that tastes good. That's wonderful. Great sloppy Joe. Okay, but another important part of it is the bread. You gotta have good bread. All right, this is the bread I use. I use hamburger rolls. The hamburger rolls of my choice is Dave's Killer Bread hamburger rolls. He's got 2 varieties. They're both excellent. I really recommend these. If you think that roll looks good, it tastes even better. It's good. It's a solid bread, man. It's good stuff. Okay, look, there are other rolls that are good. I just like this one the best. Okay, so check it out. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good sandwich. We get some of that sloppy Joe right on there. Woo! That's looking good. Hey, this is a real good sandwich. Very easy to make. Ooh, that aroma is fantastic. Good stuff. Hey, you want to check out another great sandwich? Check out my mushroom burger videos. Wonderful. Good stuff. Mushrooms are awesome. And I'll see you there.